Let's start off with some general lab rules that we'll need every time we're working in the lab. Uh, we'll need these no matter what machine we're using. And the first thing is having proper safety glasses to protect our eyes. Along with safety glasses, we need to make sure any long sleeve clothing or sweatshirts are pulled up and that we're wearing closed-toed shoes that are tied. People with long hair must have it pulled back in a ponytail, and any drawstrings on a sweatshirt should be tucked in just to prevent any uh, problems. Here's just a quick synopsis of what I just said. While using the chop saw, we have to first make sure that any jigs or fixtures we're using are tightly secure, as well as when we're actually using the machine, we have to make sure our hands are nowhere near the blade when the machine is on or off. While getting ready to cut, make sure the material is up against the fence so that it doesn't move. Once the cut is complete, wait for the blade to stop before removing your piece. With the table saw, we always want to make sure that the fence is secure where we want it to be before cutting. While cutting, make sure that you have a firm grip and your hand is away from the blade to prevent kickback, as well as wait for the blade to stop before removing material. In order to make the process easier, you can use a push stick, which is also safer. When using the drill press, we always want to make sure our material is clamped to the baseboard. This is to prevent it from spinning when the drill press is in motion. Next, once the thing is clamped, we want to put the drill in and make sure it's tight so that it doesn't get loose in the process of drilling your material. Uh, there's using the drill key, you can make it even tighter. Once the material and bit is secure, uh, drill, and only after uh, the machine stops, take off the material. Finally, we have the nail gun. When we're using the nail gun, make sure the nails that we're using are correct for the size of the material that is going to be nailed together. When using the nail gun, make sure the safety mechanism is fully pressed against the material before pulling the trigger. Never have your hand on the trigger unless you're ready to uh, actually use the nail gun, and also never point the nail gun at yourself or at anyone else in the lab. When nail gunning pieces together, make sure your hands are in a safe place and not in a way that you will get hurt. Always remember, it's always better to follow these safety rules to prevent any injury to yourself or anyone else. So, everyone have a good time. Good luck.